Welcome to my channel Netcast on Webpack Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to add circular marks to the image in Google Slides. So let's start with the video. I'm on my Google site. Let's start with the video. So I just take the blank slide here, and first you need to insert your picture. I just going to insert picture from my computer. Okay, so you can use another source to insert your picture. So I just insert this picture one. So the picture has been inserted. Now you can crop it. Go to the crop, and you can crop and take the part of image as per your requirement. Okay, I just take this one. Okay, now just click outside of this picture, click on slide, and picture will be cropped. Now select the picture. Now again go to this mask image, and if you don't see this option, just you have to click on this small teeny arrow. Then this option will be visible to you. Now go to the mask and go to the shape, and here you have to click on circle shape, oval shape, whatever. Just click on it. Then you can see the mask has been done. You can resize it as per your requirement. Okay, just hold this corner, side corner, or you can resize the mask. You can also make some changes, like you can change the border, you can change the border color. Okay, you can change the border size. Okay, so here you can make change. If you go in formal option, here you can see the another option. Okay, the position and recolor, any color you want, you can change it. Adjustment, you can adjust like brightness and transparency here. Okay, and also you can change like shadows and all. Okay, here you can see drop shadow here. If you go there, the shadow you can adjust. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.